In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a school in Teachable. This is a permanent action that removes your entire school, including courses, student access, and associated data. So I'll walk you through it slowly and clearly. Before you start, take a moment to think about anything you might want to save. Many creators choose to download copies of course materials, export key reports, or capture important records first. That's optional, but it can save headaches later. To begin, make sure you're signed in with the account that owns the school. Only the primary owner can delete a school in Teachable. If you manage multiple schools or accounts, verify you're in the right one before proceeding, since these clicks will affect the school you're currently viewing. From your school's admin dashboard, head to the sidebar and click Settings. On the Settings page, select the General section. This is where Teachable keeps the core details for your school, and importantly, the option to delete it. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of the General page. There you'll find the Delete School button. Take a breath and confirm you're ready, because clicking this will move you to the final confirmation step. When you click Delete School, a confirmation window will pop up. Teachable requires you to type your school's URL exactly as prompted. This safeguard exists to prevent accidental deletions. Carefully enter the full URL, double-checking for any typos or extra spaces. Once you've typed it in exactly, proceed with the confirmation. After that, Teachable will finalize the deletion. A few quick notes as you finish up. If you don't see the Delete School button, you're likely not logged in as the primary owner, or your view doesn't have the required permissions. Switch to the correct owner account or reach out to Teachable's support team for help. Also remember, once the school is deleted, students and instructors will lose access, your courses and content will no longer be available through that URL, and you won't be able to undo the action. If you're closing down for good, consider notifying your students ahead of time so they're not surprised. That's it. Log in as the primary owner, go to Settings, open General, scroll to the bottom, click Delete School, and confirm by entering your school's URL exactly as requested. Follow those steps carefully, and you'll complete the process with confidence. Thanks for watching, and take